If you've recently purchased a drawing tablet with a built-in display and you're wondering how to connect it to your PC, you've come to the right place because in today's video, we are going to walk you through the entire setup process from connecting the cables to installing the necessary drivers and getting your tablet ready for drawing. Whether you're using a display tablet from 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗽𝗹𝘆, Wacom, or another brand, the process is generally very similar. Now, before connecting your drawing tablet, make sure you already have the required accessories that came with the device. So check what's included in the box. Most display drawing tablets include the drawing tablet display, a stylus or pen, USB cable, HDMI cable or USB-C cable, power adapter for some larger models, driver installation instructions. You need to lay everything out and verify that nothing is missing before proceeding. Now, after doing that, you need to identify the required ports. Take a look at the cables included with your tablet. Most display tablets use one of the following connection methods. Number one is HDMI plus USB connection. This is the most common setup. You'll typically connect the HDMI cable for video output, USB cable for pen input and tablet functions, power cable if required, and of course you also have the second option, which is a single USB connection. Newer drawing tablets may support a single USB-C cable that handles display signal, data transfer, power delivery, so you need to check your tablet's manual to determine which connection type your device uses. And of course, you need to connect the drawing tablet to your PC. Now it's time to connect everything. For HDMI models, connect the HDMI cable from the tablet to your PC's HDMI port. Plug the USB cable into an unavailable USB port on your computer, and then connect the power adapter if your tablet requires external power. Turn on the drawing tablet. For USB-C models, you need to connect the USB-C cable between the tablet and your computer. So power on the tablet if necessary, and after connecting, the display should light up within a few seconds. And then do not forget to install the tablet drivers. Although the display may already be working, you'll still need the official drivers for your pressure sensitivity and pen functionality. So I need you to visit your tablet manufacturer's website and download the latest driver for your model. Once downloaded, run the installer, follow the on-screen instructions, and restart your computer if prompted. Installing the correct driver ensures that features such as pressure sensitivity, shortcut, keys, and pen calibration work properly. And do not forget to calibrate the pen. This is very important because once the drivers are installed, you need to open the tablet software, look for options such as pen calibration, pressure sensitivity, pen mapping, display mapping, and follow the calibration process by tapping the targets displayed on screen. This ensures that the cursor aligns accurately with your pen tip. And of course, you need to test the tablet. All right, open a drawing application such as Adobe Photoshop, Clip Studio Paint, Paint Tool, and create a new canvas and test the cursor movement, pressure sensitivity, pen tilt support, shortcut buttons, and if everything responds correctly, your drawing tablet is fully configured and ready to use. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect a drawing tablet display to a PC. Once everything is connected and configured correctly, you'll be ready to start drawing with accurate pen input and a fully functional display. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.